everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like, you know, products like this C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. Uber stock has been crashing as drivers strike nationwide. Let's tune in.
Today. Thousands of Uber, Lyft, and food delivery drivers nationwide went on a strike for higher pay and better working conditions. NBC's Marianne Favre joins us now from San Jose International with...
Guys, this is getting national coverage, NBC. The strikes are working.
The impact on a lot of people looking for a ride. Marianne.
Well, passengers here told us they were definitely concerned about getting an Uber or Lyft ride from the airport today because of the strike, but most got a ride in just a few minutes.
Yeah, because there's literally millions of drivers who give in to Uber and Lyft's advertising of like, oh, you can make $30 to $40 an hour. And the drivers who are smart enough to realize that the pay is not enough, those are the ones that are striking. But there's enough, like for every driver who's like, oh, I'm fed up of driving, there's like 10 new ones signing up that same day.
Holding signs and honking horns, striking Uber drivers picketed in front of the company's headquarters on 3rd Street in San Francisco.
I'm protesting for fair wages. We're tired of the exploitation.
I love those glasses. I love those glasses.
We're tired of the exploitation.
And while some Uber and Lyft drivers in the South Bay decided not to pick up rides today, many still worked. We talked
with... So let's just take a look at the Uber stock. How's the Uber stock been doing? Whoa, it's going way down.
Wow.
Way down, downtown. In the past like month, it was at 71, and then it's now down to 66. So Uber stock is not doing good, guys. What about GameStop? I heard GameStop had a big run. Did you buy into GameStop? Holy moly.
I didn't. I saw that too. I was like, what the heck? And it's the same, this guy like tweeted about it. It was the same guy that tweeted about it last time it blew up.
It literally like tripled overnight and then went almost, well, it's still like actually pretty high.
Yeah.
It's still like almost double, well, maybe like 50% up from before. Oh, it was like kind of starting to rally a little bit. Oh yeah, like if you bought a month ago, or April, May. Yeah, if you bought a month ago for 10, you'd still be up almost triple right now. Dang, people made, and then what was the other one? AMC? Yeah, I think AMC. Yeah, AMC, same thing, like almost the same day. Crazy. But yeah, Uber stock, let's check Lyft stock. Yeah, I mean, Lyft is like, I feel like always been down. I don't know why this is. Like since the beginning, like look at Lyft. It started at 70. It started like 87 and now it's down to 16. It's just been slowly falling for the past 5 years. I think this is why it's the end of Lyft.